This is one of my favorite e-reading apps for iOS. It's Kobo Books, and recently, probably a few months ago, they really changed the home screen up to focus on, you can establish your own collections that are sitting on the home screen. Recently opened, which now includes audiobooks. Recently added, which includes books that you have added, both audiobooks and downloadable content, so samples, ebooks and things like that. You have books here that are just like sitting in your library. Audiobooks, which are audiobooks that you have purchased. And then authors. You click on authors and it shows you how many books are on your device, as well as series as well. Collections are collections that you could establish, and you can click add a collection, and then you can just pick and choose what books you want to add to your collection, and then click done. And then with the home screen, you can actually add that mic collection there, and it's here. So you could actually edit the home screen and remove things as well. So you can remove free books, you can remove collections if you want to. So it's a way that you could really customize your home screen experience. Let's check out what the ebook experience is like. So just quickly download the book. And here we go. I'll just click on a random chapter here. So you see that by default there's no animated page turns, but there's a lot of options here to customize the experience. You do font size, everything's live and updated. There's a ton of different fonts here. We're on Georgia. You can just click on things, and again, it's like live and updated, which is kind of cool. You can click here on the light button to change the background of the book, and there's many different ones that they've added over the last little while, from cyan to sepia, charcoal, night, and then you can change like the brightness of the screen as well. Lots of little options to highlight, look up words in a dictionary that appear automatic. If you need help with anything, there's getting around and public notes and things like that that you can share. If you click on this arrow thing, you can quickly and scroll through the book, which is pretty useful. Let's check out an audiobook.
Itself skyward again, making another series of physics-defying changes to its course and speed. I tried to keep my cool. I tried to remain skeptical. I reminded myself that I was a man of science, even it wasn't a meteor.
So you can kind of click 10 seconds ahead or 10 seconds back.
Mind-blowingly fantastic, world-altering event to finally shatter the endless monotony of my public education.
If you click here, you can see table of contents or report a problem with the book. You can automatically sleep. So a lot of people listen to audiobooks as they're going to bed at night, and so you can set it at so it'll automatically stop. Sleep at end of chapter 60, 45, 30, or 15 minutes. It's not as advanced as a lot of audio players, but I feel that, Kobo's a company that, especially with their iOS apps, kind of keep it simplified. As you saw, that there's really no line spacing and margin options to check out and to augment the ebook experience, it is pretty basic. Whereas if you use a Kobo e-reader, you can sideload in your own fonts. There's all these crazy advanced options, but for iOS, it's a little bit more simplified. Suffice to say that the only way to have books on your Kobo for the iOS app is to go to Safari, open up the Kobo website, purchase ebooks that way, and sync them to your device, or use like your desktop, your laptop, tablet, or something like that to do it. But if you just have an iPad, open up Safari, go to Kobo bookstore, and you can just purchase books. As long as you're logged into the same account as you have on your iPad, all books are automatically synced to your Kobo account. You just basically click on the sync button here, and anything that you do will be on the app. So it's one of the drawbacks, obviously, with not only Kobo for iOS, but Barnes & Noble for Kindle. You can't purchase ebooks on any of that. So it's just not indicative just of Kobo, but that is sort of like a universal standard when it comes to the mainstream ebook reading apps. But in terms for Kobo for iOS, I think the update for the actual home screen and being able to customize things is really good. I dig the fact that Kobo just got into the audiobook industry, so
Hachette Audio presents
it really makes like a big difference to be able to have audiobooks and ebooks all in one app. So thanks for watching, everyone. For GoodEreader.com, my name is Michael, and everybody take care.